It's May 10th, and it's time to roll up our sleeves and celebrate a day that can lead to a fresh start and better well-being. Welcome to National Clean Up Your Room Day. Let's explore the origins of this helpful day and the impact it can have on our lives. Who knows, you might even find a hidden treasure and feel a sense of achievement. Although the exact beginnings of National Clean Up Your Room Day are unknown, the purpose behind this day is clear. It's all about decluttering, organizing, and cleaning our personal spaces, be it your bedrooms and living rooms or offices and corridors. Throughout history, keeping a clean living environment has been linked to good health, both physically and mentally. In the past, our ancestors knew the importance of keeping their living spaces clean to keep pests and diseases away. As civilizations progressed, the idea of cleanliness and organization evolved, becoming a crucial part of our daily lives. National Clean Up Your Room Day reminds us to take a step back, assess the state of our living spaces, and make an effort to create a more organized and cleaner environment. You might wonder why we should spend a whole day cleaning up our rooms. The truth is, maintaining a clean and organized space can do wonders for our mental health and productivity. Studies show that a clutter-free environment reduces stress, improves focus, and even helps us sleep better at night. So, if you've been feeling overwhelmed or unproductive lately, National Clean Up Your Room Day might just be what you need to turn things around. The idea of cleaning has changed over time, with different cultures and societies placing various levels of importance on cleanliness. In ancient Rome, cleanliness was so important that public baths were common, and people often spent hours cleaning themselves and socializing. Similarly, in medieval Europe, castles and manors employed many servants dedicated to keeping living spaces clean and organized. As we enter the modern era, cleaning and organizing has become more accessible and convenient thanks to the invention of various tools and appliances. With vacuum cleaners, washing machines, and other modern cleaning gadgets, it's easier than ever to maintain a clean living environment. National Clean Up Your Room Day is a way to remind us of our roots and appreciate the importance of cleanliness in our lives. Let's dive into the fascinating world of cleaning innovations that have transformed our lives, making the mundane task of cleaning an exciting adventure. 1. Robot vacuum cleaners. Imagine having a tiny robot helper that roams around your home, diligently cleaning floors and carpets while you relax or focus on other tasks. These smart devices are not only efficient but also a great conversation starter. 2. Steam mops. Picture yourself using a cutting-edge mop that emits hot steam, effortlessly cleaning and sanitizing various types of flooring while eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. It's like wielding a magic wand that leaves a trail of cleanliness in its wake. 3. Ultrasonic jewelry cleaners. Have you always wanted to restore the luster and sparkle of your precious jewelry? These futuristic devices use high-frequency sounds to gently remove dirt and grime, making your treasured items look as good as new. So, get ready for National Clean Up Your Room Day on May 10th and turn it into a fun, engaging experience that goes beyond just tidying up. Armed with these astonishing cleaning innovations, you can transform your living space into a clean, organized, and refreshing haven. Crank up your favorite tunes, grab your cleaning gear, and let the magic happen. Happy National Clean Up Your Room Day!